I'll guide you through how to make a good LinkedIn profile. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a browser and search www.linkedin.com. Log into your account by entering your email address and password. Once you're on the home page, click the profile icon and then click Profile View. On your profile page, complete your profile photo by clicking Profile Photo, selecting Upload Photo, choosing a good photo, and then clicking Save Photo. Next, add a cover image by clicking the camera icon and uploading your good cover image. Then, add a compelling headline by clicking the pencil icon on your profile. In the headline section, write a good headline about yourself. After that, go to the Experience section, click Add Experience, and add your job title, job type, and company, then click Save. In the Education section, click Add Education, then enter the school name, degree, field of study, and the years attended. Next, in the Skills section, click Add Skills, enter your skill, and check the Follow this skill to keep up with relevant content box. Then click Save. After that, set your profile URL by clicking Edit Public Profile and URL, and change it to a short and good URL.